In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable online payments on invoices, providing your customers the convenient option to pay via a simple link. As businesses continue to evolve, offering seamless payment solutions is crucial in ensuring customer satisfaction and streamlining your financial operations. So, let's dive into the process to make your invoices more efficient with online payment capabilities. To begin with, ensure you have access to the platform or software you use for generating and managing your invoices. Most modern invoicing platforms offer built-in options for integrating online payments. Navigate to the Settings menu or Payment Preferences section where you can customize your payment options. Look for the option to enable online payments or something similar. This feature often needs to be activated before you can select specific payment methods. Once it's enabled, you'll see a variety of payment processing options such as credit card payments, PayPal, or other online payment gateways. Choose the most suitable payment method for your business and, if prompted, enter any required information to set up the connection between your invoicing platform and the payment processor. Once the online payments feature is enabled, ensure that each invoice you send out comes with a unique payment link. This link directs customers to a secure page where they can complete their transactions. When you're creating a new invoice, there should be an option to include this payment link automatically. Check the invoice settings or review the invoice template to ensure the payment link is included by default. Doing so not only saves you time, but also guarantees that your customers have an easy way to process their payments without delay. With your invoice system set up to include payment links, it's important to communicate this new option to your customers. Inform them about the convenience and security of online payments. This can be done through a quick note on the invoice itself or by a separate email announcement, encouraging them to take advantage of this more efficient payment method. Highlight features such as the speed of transactions and the ease of use, as these are key advantages of digital payments. Finally, make sure to regularly monitor the payments received through these links to ensure everything is running smoothly. Your invoicing platform should provide you with notifications or an activity dashboard to track payments. This will help you keep an accurate record of transactions and promptly follow up with any pending payments or issues that arise. By enabling an online payment system, you're not only enhancing the customer experience, but also optimizing your financial workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled online payments for your invoices, making it easier for your customers to pay and allowing you to manage your payments more effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy invoicing.